Okay, Pop here again. This time we're working on SR240 case. Pulled a couple nuts off, rolled the cab up. The problem we're having is it's throwing a couple codes. One that has to do with the EGR and the throttle control valve. Those wires go in right here and right here, from what I can tell tracing it down. And it only really happens after a rain or a snow or something. So I'm thinking there's a moisture problem. Let me take all this out and this hose out and get into that wiring block right down here. And I'm thinking that there's moisture getting into this or into that plug way up under there, or possibly this plug right here. But more than likely, because I had this problem before about 1,000 hours ago and replaced the whole harness, I'm hoping I can find some chafed wires in there and fix the harness. So got that piece out. That's pretty easy actually. A couple of bolts and then it slides toward the rear of the machine off of these little pins. These two bolts that are right under the AC unit here. Well, let's dig deeper and I'll let you know. All right, I'm super happy. Well, not really. This is gonna suck. But the last time I had this problem, it cost me a new wiring harness, which was $8,000. So this time, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but chafed wires. That's a real good one. Rubbed through. Come on, focus. I'll patch them all up, and I bet I'm good to go. I'm a happy guy, saving money. It's kind of what this is about. If I find a trick and I can help somebody, or just give you an idea of which direction to go in, to help your own self out by saving money. Don't be scared. Dive in. Just take pictures or videos. So luckily, I have a local parts store that actually still has parts guys, and we'll walk around the store with you and help you find things. So we have some liquid electrical tape and some wrap. I just got some of those put up there. So we're gonna try that out. It's windy as hell. I don't think I'm going to be able to film this, but I'm try and get a peek of what it looks like when I'm done making a big mess. Well, I don't know if it's seeable or not, but all that black gunk is this gunk. Turned out there was about 10 places it was rubbed through. Now I let it dry for 4 hours. Okay, wind's blowing a gale. Little tip though, get these packing things like this, don't throw all of them away, because if you gotta get in your vehicle and kneel on something like that, that's a lot more comfortable. So I already started putting this back together. Down inside there is that black wrap. That's that cold shrink wrap tape. Actually worked really well after I got all the other pieces put back together. But I'm not good at this, so I forgot the whole camera thing. Now we'll start snapping all this back together, which is easier said than done. Yeah, that one's not in its groove. There's a whole lot of stuff shoved in this one little spot. But, like I said, as long as you take pictures, kind of pay attention to what you're doing, don't break any clips. It's doable, even for somebody that don't know what they're doing. Okay, I got that snapped back together and plug-ins put back in, a little bit of dielectric grease. Now we got to hook the air box back up. I know, it's windy. Put this panel back in, get the cap put back down. We'll fire it up. That's the air box over there. We'll fire it up. Hopefully we got no codes. Alright, get that panel back on. Air box back in, hose clamp hooked back. Wind's still blowing like hell. This ought to be fun. Put this little safety thing up there. Shut this thing. Ugh. And put the big nuts and bolts back on. And then we'll fire it up. It's terrible. My tree whipping all over there. Probably sounds terrible too. 23 with gusts to 40. Code, it'd be right there. It says we're 68 degrees. Hell yeah, brother. Old Pop fixed another one. Good deal. You never know what you can do unless you try. That one was scary. Nobody likes wiring. If sure not me. But we're back in business. Put all these tools back in the shop. Well, maybe take more than one trip. Back in Pop's shop. I'd have been working inside, except by the time you put the boom up on that skid steer, it don't fit in there very well. And that's about the only way you can work on it. This will be fun. Let's see if I can open a door. There we go. Alright. Figured I'd show y'all. We got another project coming. Picked up this little gem. And I got a automatic decompression malfunction. So we should have this one going again here pretty quick. I sold that mini truck, so anywho, we got the case fixed. Gather up all my tools, and thanks for checking us out. Have a gooder. Somebody else is having a problem with these codes. Pin out of the way. 3823, 3824, 3825. Throttle valve actuator short circuit. Throttle valve actuator under error voltage, H bridge, pin 34, pin A49. Those were the problems with the case. It's the second time it's happened to me. Last time was 1,000 hours ago. Last time it cost me $8 grand for a new wiring harness.